So here's a trade I took in this CEP this year. And this is something that I don't see a lot of traders really do. You know, it has this really, really tight consolidation on 30-minute, 1, 2, 3 inside days. I simply buy through the high inside day here, more easily seen on the daily chart. And if I'm moving too fast, I have a really bad habit of doing that. So slow me down, brother. But here, all right, we get this sick move up. Like you said, those ones that have that initial, that's not something I really notice is they need an initial move up.
Not all of them do, but I like to see that. It's like it's just an added layer of probability that I like to look for.
Okay, I like that. I like that. Is layer of probability something everyone uses?
No, I just copied your language real quick.
Let's go.
So,
okay.
So this one, CEP got on your radar because of that huge move on. Look at the volume coming in there, and then it goes quiet, dead tight for 2 days. Yeah.
Right, and it's the back-to-back inside days that has me buy this, right? Yep. Compression and expansion, supply and demand, right? I know that buyers are very strong here, but now they're meeting sellers right here, these inside days. But because I have this information of this strong move up, I can have a lot of confidence that this is going to break to the north side, to the upside. And once it breaks these inside days, this is buyers meeting sellers. This is like a tug of war, right? And it's like whoever wins the battle, it's just boom, it's going to explode up. And because we have the information that this already made a strong move up, this is why we want to get long this name. So I'm buying this through the inside day high here, 34.50, just against 30.50, these lows. And I'm selling it here into strength up into 60 bucks, whatever it is. 5-to-1 trade. I get stopped out the next day, but I end up with a quick 4-hour trade in a day and a half or 2.5 days versus, you know, achieving that in a swing trade is going to take you a lot more time to do it. So these are like amazing fast money rippers that are just great cash flow trades to me, these recent IPOs.
So you see the setup on the daily, then you go for the 30-minute. Walk us through your process. So the daily pivot, the daily buy point is that inside day high. How do you use that and trade off of that and look for maybe a slightly earlier entry on the 30-minute? Walk us through that.
So not this time. This is an earlier entry time. So
gotcha.
Earlier entry time. I'll explain. It's cool. I appreciate you asking. So this is just a pure like consolidation breakout setup.
Gotcha.
All right. So I'm very, very simply, and for the front running and the kind of the positioning in the early buys, those are more for bases and things like that. I'll get into the specifics later, but here I'm just simply buying through the inside day high, 34.50 buy stop. That's it. Stop 30.50, stop 30.49, 1 cent below the low of day. Gives me a nice little rip. I'm not selling any yet because I don't achieve my 5-to-1. And then here early in the day, I'm selling up here in 53, 54, whatever. And then it kind of breaks this area down. This is where I'm completely out of the trade. So on most trades, like these trades specifically, and then I'm out of the trade there. So these trades specifically, I'm going to be much more willing to take profit into strength more quickly because I understand
they're very fast. Yeah,
they're very fast. And they're as fast as they go up, they can come back, as this one did.